We explored coffee shops on our journey from Cape Town City to one of the most southerly points in South Africa, Cape Point Reserve. The wood-finished interior is charmingly aesthetic and feels rich with history and vintage effects throughout the coffee shop. A very calm atmosphere that is perfect for working or spending quality time with your loved ones. Very strong coffee, very well presented. For 35 Rand a cup is to be expected. Overall, we gave it a rating of 8 out of 10. Our next stop was at the family-owned farm store in Kommetjie called Peach Pip Farm Store. Fitted with a playground for your kids to enjoy while you drink your coffee and browse a big variety of fresh produce, preserves and local products. Very friendly staff and great service. Not the strongest coffee you will find, but overall a great experience. We gave it a rating of 7 out of 10. We continued our journey to Cape Point with a stop in Scarborough, where you will find Camel Rock, a well-decorated and very spacious restaurant, where you will often hear live music in the background. Being able to make your own music is a nice addition to this establishment. They have great service and friendly staff that will make you want to stay longer than you plan. Very good mild strength coffee for only 24 Rand. We gave it a rating of 8 out of 10. Our final stop on our journey was at the Lighthouse Cafe in Simonstown. Classy, sophisticated and beautiful decor. This cafe is small, cozy and perfect for a romantic coffee date. Very good and strong coffee for 26 Rand. Overall, we gave this establishment the best rating of 9 out of 10. Cape Town offers such a variety of coffee shops and different establishments to fit everyone's needs. We truly recommend you take a journey like this for yourself.